You are so cute.
Alright, anybody else? Yung natry na ba nila yung Jollibee? Kaya kung gusto magtanong, if they...
Jollibee.
Okay, I will. Tinutuksan niya ako. Have you tried Jollibee?
Yes.
Jollibee so good.
Breakfast.
We just had it for breakfast.
Breakfast Jollibee?
Yeah.
Chicken Joy for breakfast.
Yes. Chicken fry.
Yes. Guys, if you have any questions, come on. Anything you want.
Wala, ayoko pang fansan
Sorry?
yung mga tanong ko.
Oh, how was the first for Milk? How's the first time we're here in Manila? So welcome here. This is your first time, right?
คนที่เป็นครั้งแรกใช่เป็นยังไงบ้างคะ
It feels so great.
Para siyang galing sa... Para siyang parang galing sa ng mangga.
So welcome, Milk. So later, well, we'll get to know more of you later because it's your first time here in Manila. Any more questions, you guys?
Di ba po ni po ngayon?
There's any more questions?
Pardon? Yes, I think we're gonna have more fun tonight too. I don't know.
Anything else? Do you have any more questions, you guys? I think somebody's asking like who shared a room, like who shared rooms last night. I don't know. Like very controversial, you guys. But I think
Very controversial.
dorm time, everybody shares room. Everybody switches rooms from time to time.
Yes.
All right. Anybody else? Anything you want to say to the Pitbabe boys?
I love you.
Since it's their second time here in Manila, guys, it's your chance. Come on, don't be shy. Come on, Filipinos. Anybody? How are you, Michael?
Fine.
How's
I'm not sick anymore. I'm not sick.
Michael? How's lunch? Did you like lunch?
What? Lunch. No one? Oh. I don't eat yet.
Are you on a diet, Michael?
Diet, yeah, I'm diet.
Diet.
He's fasting. Really? You diet? For six pack. Huh? Really? You diet? Yeah.
Nilaglag.
Cannot.
You need to see in Goddess Rescue from there.
Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah. New series. See fat. See fat.
มีอะไรที่จะโปรโมทแฟนๆไหมคะกับ upcoming มีซีรีส์มีอะไรจะบอกทิ้งท้ายไหมก่อนที่เราจะเข้าไป
ก็สายลับอะไรนะโปรโมท Excuse me นี่เอาอันนี้ดีกว่า
Yeah, I think somebody wants to promote
I would like to
something.
ask you guys, have you ever watched the most beautiful couple?
I'm watching it.
Yesterday, how was it?
How was yesterday's episode?
I'm glad to hear that. I'm not also happy.
Oopsie.
Thank you so much.
You're so pretty. You're so pretty.
Anybody else want to promote something?
แล้วเมื่อไหร่คะมีอะไรจะทิ้งท้าย
What do you see? About the song.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. I feel saving. Huh?
What?
When I see the ghost, I need to save you. And I will feel safe.
You're hitting something new.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know, but Sing Salata is coming. Yes, it's coming in. ไม่มีใครเขารู้นี่หนูพูด
ไม่เป็นไรเราพูดไปก่อนย้อนกลับมา
งั้นหนูพูดเลย
Love Friday.
Love Friday.
Love Friday the series ไม่รู้ชื่อภาษาอังกฤษอะชื่อไทยรักต้องเชื่อ รักต้องเชื่อ
รักต้องเชื่อ
Love believe
Believe in love right Believe in love series yeah
believe in love You guys saw now view in Club Friday right Yeah You wanna see you dance?
Alright, I think everybody wants to see a sample for that.
Everybody dance
I teach.
Okay. Very quick one.
Okay, you teach.
Okay, you teach.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
It's okay.
Alright, so guys, is there any last messages you want to say to our fans over here for a sound check? Because I know you have a lot of surprises for later's main show. Anybody want to say something? You know, what are we gonna look forward later?
I love you.
Okay. Oh, I like that. Well, I think we're just gonna have a lot of fun tonight. So when we come on for Level Up, I hope you guys go crazy as well.
And dance.
Together? Okay.
Alright, everyone, let's give it up for the cast of Pitbabe the series! Silence! An engine starter for all of us. And of course, later we'll see you at the main show.
Silence!
Surprise out for everyone. So thank you so much for coming to this segment. And see you all again later for next time, the main show. Thank you, everyone.
Nat, I love you! Nat!
Let's go. Hey, you too.
Ito, tumigil eh.